Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hey everyone, I'm on the second floor of the Newport building. Just came out of this elevator. I could have used the stairs also, I'm on a second floor, about to show you a studio apartment. This is a common area for the second floor. You have on the right, you have stairs. Over there, you have the fire exit. Now I will show you the inside of the unit. As you walk in, the first thing you see is this beautiful floor, very nice, and two huge windows, a very high ceiling apartment. It has a loft, so that you will have this extra space for your furniture. Just here the smoke detector is running out of battery. It will be replaced soon. So let's see what we have in the kitchen. In the kitchen we have a refrigerator, a gas oven, you have a built-in microwave, and it's very nice cabinet space. You have a dishwasher here, a window, we're looking out, and then fire stair. You could see the fire stair through the window, and the loft takes a full mattress. Let me go up and show you what it looks like. Here is where you keep your bed and your mattress. Alright. In the kitchen you have this space to store spices, some things here. And then from the kitchen you see over there on the right is a bathroom. It's a very nice tile floor, nice bathtub, tile wall. You have a medicine cabinet, sink, toilet. You have a window for fresh air. It's a tinted window, it's frosted window. The unit has a central air and heat. You can control it from here. Over there you have a thermostat. Then the last place I would like to show you is this huge, very big walk-in closet. Very nice size walk-in closet. Takes a lot of stuff. Alright guys, I just showed you unit 222 of the Newport building. This building is located at 1530 Spruce. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.